Hello and welcome to the German Spearfishing channel. So this is a new tutorial how you produce your own diving quick release lead. This is a tutorial I've got from a German spearfishing forum. Thank you, Mr. Blank Walker. So this is for you. So first, what do we need? An ordinary camping cooker, 2 gloves, two tongs, some ordinary wax from Camel, an old spoon, and normal burner, an old tin, this is from fish tin, and some lead. I found this lead with my metal detector, but you can get it from any car service or anything else. See, this is really old stuff, old musket balls, some ammunition, I found this by myself. This is from a car. Yeah, this is around 110 grams, so it will be around 1 kilogram when it's finished. Searching for some lead. New diver lead. Now we're gonna hold this. Oh, perhaps there's something. So when you're melting lead, please do it outside, because the lead is not the healthiest stuff in the world, so be aware. What we do first is burning off all the dirt, from the tin. So make sure that everything is burned well. So now we let it heat up completely, and then we add a little bit of the wax. So the wax is that all the oxides and all the dirt in the lead is coming up better and it's melting better. It heats up the temperature while we are melting. So let's start and insert some lead. I think it's pretty hot. At the beginning you can help a little bit with the burner from the top. And don't stand in the smoke that's coming from the lead, because this is not healthy. Button. I don't know what it is. It's completely wet. So it's pretty much molten. I'm gonna stir it up a little bit with. Oh, look at that! Nice. Okay. So when there's not any more oxide on the surface, I turn off the heat and let it cool down. Look how beautiful the surface is. Like a mirror. This is the oxide I removed, and all the dirt. Just put it in cool water. Look how the water is dancing on the surface. Okay, now it's completely cold. And now I hammer it out of the form. So now it's clean. Now I hammer down it a little bit, the edges. So what we're gonna do now, we insert our rubber. This is ordinary rubber. Good quality, but very cheap, 1 meter, €2 from a work supply. We're gonna do 2 holes, one at the top, another one at the top, and here we're gonna do a groove. So this is a 6mm steel drill. And now 8mm to flat down the edges. Should look like this, no cutting edges. You take your lead belt and mark where the groove gonna be. So here and like this. Now I use my Dremel to cut down the groove, and always when you're grinding lead, use safety equipment. Okay, now we got our grooves, our side grooves, and a little bit in this direction, both sided. So now I show you how to attach it to your belt. This is the belt. Here's one knot through the first one, then like this, whoop, and through the second hole. Pull it tight, really tight. And then, there you have to cut the second one. A little bit more for the knot. Burn the end. Now you do the second knot on the end. Like this. Pull it tight. And now we can add it to the lead belt. And if you can see it, it holds really good in position, no problem. Really okay, nice. You can use it like this, no problem, but I'm gonna lacquer it a little bit with a nice color. So I'm gonna smooth down the edges a little bit more. Okay, I use just ordinary spray paint. Okay, now I just let it dry for 24 hours. So this is the color of the lead now. I've got it in camouflage. It still needs to dry a little bit, but it should look like this when it's finished. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, follow up my channel, and feel free to comment and like every time. Thank you and goodbye.